Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here behind me is the city hall of Sunnvale, and I passed by here a few times, and always thought what it looked like inside. So today I got in. Now let's take a look. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I am in Sunnvale, the new city center, city hall. And it looks quite new and quite impressive. So I was very curious, and I walked in. Usually City Hall is allowed for people to walk around. So I think I'm okay. So I walked in, and there is a big panel, I think digital display or something showing like a huge iPad. And I looked at it. The city has almost this building on top of it. The roof has 1 acre of sun panel. So the city is self-sufficient, and the energy is from the sun, Sunnvale, of course. And during power outage, they can get power from their reserve. Anyway, it's a new design. And then I kept on walking. And here is the council chamber. They are having a council meeting. Let's see. Yeah, you can see somebody there having a council meeting. And just at this time, as I was making the video, the door swing open. There came a man, and I was a little bit embarrassed. I'm coming to other people's territory anyway. Look at this mirror. It's good for outfit of the day. It's so bright. So I was a little bit embarrassed. So I was trying to make a dialogue as if I am not a bad person. So I said, oh, this is such a beautiful building. It's my usual greeting. It's such a beautiful building. And then that person said, yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that, hello.
You take a picture. I'll wait.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good. What a beautiful building.
What was that?
So what just as I was saying, this is such a beautiful building, and he said, yeah, go look at the staircase. It's like a museum. He's saying it with so much pride. He was well dressed in cravat, in suit, and then I look here. And then there is another guy. He is also very proud of this place. And then I came to here. He was exactly like this. I was talking to the mayor, and the mayor is proud of his city. And it's a very nice, so I talked to the mayor. And I think in one of the YouTube video, she is chatting with the Historical Society. and she's the vice mayor. Linda Sell is the vice mayor. Larry Klein is the mayor. You know, many years ago, when I lived here, I came to the city of Sunnvale for my business license, and I registered in Sunnvale and participated some street art fair, anyway, quite in the public domain kind of things. And that was a small city hall. This is a new one. Everyone seems very proud of their building. Okay, so I came here around 5 o'clock. Now it's around 5 o'clock, and people are leaving, and they chat with a colleague, and the cleaning is coming up, so there is a little bit of a sound. It's just a random sound. Maybe you will be shocked by the sudden door bang, those sounds. But anyway, this is the true feeling of coming to this place. It's a new place, and people are inviting. I just bump into a couple of the people here. Everyone smile, and the people are making an effort, not making an effort. It's just very naturally, they are people, and can quickly strike a dialogue, and can understand that I'm curious about this place, and all their introduction is just to the point. For example, the staircase does not have structure, and does not have a supporting structure. I do not know the architectural designs, what kind of architectural marvel they have, and you can have a virtual tour if you go online, and all this very well explained and delivered, and it's a very interesting place. So sometimes we should think, if we want this world to be better for everyone, it's better that we think from a different part, different angle. And the city needs tall building, needs high building, and eventually this is what is going to be. And only actively against tall building is not a solution, and randomly, without plan, to put too many skyscrapers and surrender to real estate developer, and that is not the solution neither. So it's a delicate job, and the city planning is interesting. It's for the life of you and I, all of us, to live in a harmonious coexistence with our neighbors and with the nature surrounding us, right? So this is the second floor. The first floor is quite sharp, triangular shape. It's the leaf coming, the sunshine coming through the leaf. And I think the second floor is wave. Oh, hello, must be. So this is the third floor. And you will see that, oh, outside there is a kind of wavy outdoor little garden, little walking area, that area. And outside is the parking and a park. There are new things in the planning also. Oh, are they trying to make the library this modern? I actually like Sunnvale Library for its rustic feeling. Okay, third floor. This must be local artists, mother of pearl. And another councilman told me the sun panel can, on one side of the sun panel is double-sided. They not only get the sunshine from the sun, but also the reflection of the sun. They also get the energy. That is quite impressive, and it's also quite smart to do it zigzag, 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 so that it gets sunshine from morning, from afternoon, and because this is it has a certain latitude, altitude, 经线, 纬线, so I think they designed something stabilized that is the angle of the sun panel. I do not know, but I'm sure they have a study according to the sun direction, the earth's rotation, and that sort of science stuff, right? And from here you can see that one is Matilda, where the car is. It's quite a big boulevard going to the mountains, go to, where is it? Go to Santa Cruz Mountain, and on this side goes to the bay, go to the ocean. It's a big boulevard, and they kept that pine trees, pine forest here. Must be quite nice to have a walk in the forest. And under that 2 trees, that was also a small park, very small, but they are doing as much as they can to keep some greens. I think they are doing right, and there are some new trees planted, not yet growing up. Imagine in 5, 10, 20 years, those little trees will become huge canopy of shades. This is a fire prevention department. Fire prevention. They make it fun and interesting, and they are doing as much as they can to use wood element. For me, having some natural element is just very, very soothing and important. And here, this water weeds, and it's simple, it's easy, it's elegant, and very, very simple, elegant, and expressive. Oh, it cannot catch the sharpness of it. Now we get it. The sharpness of this. And this one is environmental service, and they have some decoration with recycled toilet paper. That is smart, and use recycled bottle, jam bottle, pasta bottle, olive bottle. Now this chairs looks nice, and I will sit here and see its ergonomic design. You can turn around. Oh, it turns quite fast. And yeah, it's comfortable. A little bit non-stop in turning, but it's quite comfortable. Yeah. Maybe you can put your leg on the side of the stool, and then it will stop turning around. Okay, this is the 4th floor, the top floor. And the people do take some rest. Oh, there is a puzzle piece, city manager here, city manager here. And let's see this piece of art, Tree of Life. Ah, this is Tree of Life. This is Gustav Klimt in New Silicon Valley or Sunnvale interpretation. It's beautiful, golden, and very beautiful, and very vivacious, dynamic. So this is the 4th floor. Human resource. Now this is the tallest, so we can see the city a little bit clearer. And maybe some new buildings are in the plan. I'm a little bit lost track which part is here. A city park. That must be the one that double-sided. Getting sunshine, getting energy from the sunshine, and getting energy from the reflection of the sunshine. Okay, bye-bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do.